Good day, it is Stephen Davids here. In this video I will discuss how to navigate a large Google Doc. The first method is to use a document outline. To get the document outline, go to the Tools, Document Outline, and then you will see on the left hand side of the screen the outline will appear. If you want to add a heading to the outline, you select text in your document, Google document, then go to Format, Paragraph Styles, and select a certain heading. In this instance, we selected heading 1. You can select heading 2 or whatever the case may be, and then it will appear on the outline at the very left hand side. If you want to remove a heading here from the outline, you just go on the outline and then you will see the X mark, and then you just click the delete X mark and the heading will disappear from the outline. If you want to insert a heading back into the outline, you go to the text and select the text, and then click on Add to Document Outline, and it will then appear here. If you wanted to move up and down the outline, you just move the vertical navigation bars on the right hand side of the outline menu. And then if you want to jump to a specific place in the document, you click on the outline and then it will move you to the specific place in the document. The second method of navigating a large Google Doc is to use the table of contents. You go where you want to insert the table of contents, usually at the very start of the document, and then you click Insert, and then at the bottom here, Table of Contents, and preferably use with the blue links, because you get two methods. This way is without the links, and the second with the blue links enables you then to jump to the specific place in the document. If you want to move to a specific place that is in the table of contents, go to that heading within the table of contents. For example, in this section we use the help directory and example. Then you will see underneath it, if you put the cursor in that heading, you will see underneath it there are three elements. From the right hand side there is an element remove, in the middle there is change, and in the far left hand side there is a heading link. If you click on that link, you will jump to the place in the document where that heading is. If you want to change the heading for some reason, maybe you want to write something else here, you just click on the change heading and then you type whatever the change must be in the heading title. For example, instead of having tips here, you want to have very important tips, and then you just write and then click apply. If you want to remove a heading for some reason, you feel that this heading becomes redundant and too full, you just click on the remove heading part. Have your cursor inside the heading in the table of contents and then click the remove button. And then you can, of course, after you make changes to your document and added some headings and you want to update your table of contents, click on the icon on the top left hand side with the circle, update the table of contents, and the table of contents will update. To use Find as the last and third method of navigating a large document, you go to Edit, Find and Replace. You can use the replace, but for this purposes of this video, where we focus on navigating, you don't use the replace part. You type in the word that you want, and if it must match the case, you click match the case. This moment in time, I do not think much regular expressions will do much for our purposes. And see to it that there's nothing in this replace box, because if there is even a space bar, it may be possible that you just can replace the word that you in fact want to find. And then be careful when you, because at this moment in time you do not want to replace any element, but you want to find a document or a word, that you do not click on replace but click on next. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share this video and give it a 1 star.